Page 6, 2 marches, number 1. I'm just going to cover number 1 in this video. Number 2 will be covered in another video. So on the first one, 4/4 time, we got 1 sharp in the key signature, so it looks like we're in the key of G major. It means all the F's in the piece, no matter where they are automatically going to be F sharp. But if you look the piece over, you see there are no F's in the piece, so it doesn't make any difference in this case. We're still using just white keys. But if there were F's in it, we'd play F sharps. We got a bunch of quarter notes and half notes and whole notes stuck in there. Let's do the right hand first. You're starting out with 3rd finger on B. Put your hands in this position. The quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's pretty much it for the piece. 1, 2, 3, rest. Make sure you're silent on the rest. Left hand, start out with whole notes, and you have a 5th finger on a G. Now put your hand in this position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't this fun? Yay! 3, rest. Make sure you rest on beat 4. Put the hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, rest. And so forth. You can get that okay, and your beat is steady at whatever speed you're going. You can go your own speed. Then we add the articulation. That is the staccatos and slurs and accents and stuff. At the beginning, I'm going to recommend a light wrist. And then you see that line over the half note? Well, in this type of music at this age, see, this is written back in the, what, the 17, early 1800s in there somewhere else. A long time ago. The line over it tended to be more like a, give it a little extra. Not a full accent, but a little extra. Bum, bum, bum. Just a little extra. And hang on to it for the full length. Don't cut it short and then go on. And the second line is similar on staccatos and stuff. The left hand, there isn't anything marked, so just connect everything. Then once you do that, add the dynamics. Well, it starts out loud. That's the right hand's melody. Decide what loud is, and just keep the left hand a little softer than that. See that little arrow at the end of the first line, the last measure there? That means come down a little bit softer. Come down, but down to about a moderately loud to moderately soft. Just come down. And then a rest. And the second line is like an echo to it. It's soft. So the left hand has to be very soft. Except that for that line, you can bring that out a little bit. So it's a little dangerous when they put those lines. They're called tenuto lines. The line over the half notes they've done here. In the second measure like that. It used to be an accent mark. And then it sort of changed into, well, hang on to it, linger on that note. And it's sort of evolved. And today, a lot of people, they don't accent it, they just linger on it. But some publishers and some composers still treat it like a bit of an accent. So here, I would treat it like a very slight accent. Just a little bit of an accent, not a full accent, but just a, and then linger on it. Do both, linger on it, and then go on. That's my impression of a tenuto line. Speed-wise, it's in the middle. It's a march. Left, right, left, right. Left, right. So, something about that speed? It has to be steady beat. You don't want your marchers tripping over anything because you hesitated on the beat. And when you have it learned, then come back and play it with me. Just double check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try. I'm not going to do the dynamics. Just the notes and the rhythms and the staccatos and that stuff is all. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 3, rest. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.